Right, some breaking news now coming in from Delhi, and the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval has met with Prime Minister Modi again. Remember, yesterday as well, a meeting took place at the PMO, and today the meeting is taking place at the Prime Minister's residence. There have been a series of high-level meetings taking place in view of the Pahalgam attack. Remember, it's been 2 weeks since the Pahalgam attack in which 26 civilians were killed. The Prime Minister has promised action, and he has said those who house the terrorists will also be punished. So far, none of the terrorists involved in this attack in Pahalgam have been caught yet. But right now, the country is going in for mock drills tomorrow. This is in preparation for war, and there have been series of meetings that have been taking place at the Prime Minister's residence, where you have the services chiefs also having met with the Prime Minister. Multiple meetings have been taking place with the NSA as well, as India decides what its response is going to be, a strategic response given the Pahalgam attack in which 26 civilians were killed. So this key meeting, there you can see visuals of the earlier meeting that took place at the Prime Minister's residence, where all the service chiefs were there, and it was later said that the Prime Minister had given them a free hand to decide on India's response, the time, the modalities, the type of response that will be made after the Pahalgam attack. Now, Prime Minister Modi currently meeting with NSA Doval. Let's go across to Aishwarya for more on this. So Aishwarya, you've been reporting on all these meetings, series of meetings since the last couple of days, and now once again the Prime Minister meeting with NSA Doval at his residence.
Well, that's right, and these all meetings are in alignment to India's action against terrorism. The message from the Prime Minister's office have come out straight that there will be a befitting reply, and in alignment to that, these meetings are taking place. Yesterday, we saw Defence Secretary reached at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. In the evening, Prime Minister reached at PMO, and there he held series of meetings, including a meeting with the NSA and the Home Secretary as well, and that was to update Prime Minister about the notification that Home Affairs had issued regarding the civil defence mock drills. It was the Air Chief or the Navy Chief who met Prime Minister separately and different occasions at the 7 LKM before that as well. But 2 rounds of CCS has been chaired till now by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in which Defence Minister to the service chiefs, to NSA, to the CDS, all were there, and regular updates are being given to Prime Minister. He is briefed about every possible development that is happening in Jammu and Kashmir or along with the international border as well, and therefore to brief him on a daily basis. Now, this is a sequence of events that we can track down as far as how things are unfolding, and different ministries had been given task to the actual action that will take. Of course, the Prime Minister had given a straight message. The government sources had indicated to us that Prime Minister had given a free hand to Indian Armed Forces. He believes in full professional abilities of the Indian Armed Forces, and the directions had already been given by the MHA to the Jammu and Kashmir administration. There had been separate deployments or the movements that are taking place there, as well as the ceasefire violations are taking place on a daily basis along with the line of control, and how India is reacting to all of those happenings which are over there. And Prime Minister on a regular intervals are being briefed, and today it is NSA Ajit Doval who has just reached at the 7 LKM is what we can update to our viewers.